Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss the latest updates. So, let's get started. We are going to learn about AMI. So, AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image. So, what is AMI and why it is used and how it is created? Let me quickly show you. Before that, I need to clear some points. As we saw in the previous videos, we have used some AMIs. So AMIs comes with a base image such as Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat. We have used our Windows, we have used our Amazon proprietary image AMI. So these images can be customized at the runtime using EC2 user data. So I know pretty it's confusing. Let me quickly show you the practical part, then it will be more easier for you. So we have now in our EC2 service, and now I am selected the instance and I'm clicking on the launch instance. So once I clicked on the launch instance, you can see here we have an option called Amazon Market Image, Amazon Machine Image. So in this machine image you can see we have lots of images which was created by Amazon. Okay, so we have Windows, we have Linux, we have uh, 2016 based Windows server, and we have Linux also. So Linux we have so many flavors. We are selecting one of this type. If you select this type of instance, it will be created one type of instance. Okay, which is Amazon Linux 2. Okay, but what if we could create our own image? So can we create our own image? Yes, we can create our own image. How to create that? Let me quickly show you. So before that, I'm going to select one of the instance which is T2 and it's free tier eligible. So I'm creating it. Let's click next and just launch it. The basic information. Okay, so I'm launching. I'm selecting the key pair of anything, like go for the key, just click on launch. So fine, we are now in our instances. So you can see this instance is pending and creating now. So let me do quickly one thing, like let me install our uh, web server in this using a user data. Okay, we have our user data we have seen in last classes. To do that, we have to go to our view and change the user data. You can see user data is telling that two instance need to be stopped, then only we can edit in this. So let me just quickly stop our instance. Stop the instance. Yes, stop. Yep, it has been stopped. So let's wait for some time. In the meanwhile, let me quickly grab our code. Actually we have some code, right? We have saved it somewhere yesterday. uh, Quickly grab that code. So where it is? Okay, so just now I found our code. So let me just quickly copy it. So just I'm clicking copy. Sorry for the delay. Copy. Okay, it's done, copied. And just right click, instance change, and change the user data and just paste it over here. Okay, fine, let me quickly do some changes in it. So it's one of the type of AMI instance, so that it will be not using our server, it will be using something else. It's called system CTI CTL, I believe. CTL service, CTL strt start httpd. Perfect. So let's start our instance. So save it. It takes some time, so till that I'm pausing my video. So let's click on start the instance. Okay, it takes some time, so till that I'm pausing the video. You can see here we have successfully installed our web server. So now let me quickly do one thing. I'm going to create an AMI from this instance. So to do that, what we have to do is we have to click on images, create an image. So once we clicked on image, you have to give your name, my AMI. Okay, so if you want your description, then you can give the description. So you can see we have 8 GB, total 8 GB we are going to take an AMI. So you can just cancel this thing. You have to scroll here to review your AMIs. If you click on AMIs, you can see your my AMI has been creating. So after creating this my AMI, using this AMI you can directly create a lot more instances. So by this, what is advantage? So we have installed our web server, right? So the web server will be pre-configured in this AMI, so no need to install again and again. So if we have one AMI, it's fine, it's all up and running. So if you have any drivers, if you have any like Python application you need to be installed, if you want to Java application like Java JDK and Java industrial development kits, you need to be installed. It will be pre-installed. If you are installing in one instance, you can create 100 instances from one AMI. Okay, so this is like very advantage using an AMI here. So and one more thing we have, AMIs can be built from Linux and Windows machines also. Using Windows machine, what is the advantage? We can use that AMIs to install our MS Office. We install any company application which is there, it can be installed. Why would you customize your AMI? So using a customized built AMI, you can provide a following advantages. Let me tell you an advantages quickly. Pre-installed packages will be installed. Fast boot time. You can increase your boot time, and if you once you have configured everything, then it will be easier for you to create your installation quickly. So a machine comes configured with the monitoring and enterprise softwares. Okay, security concepts will be controlled and machines in the network, and controlled maintain and updation of AMIs over time will be happen. So in terms of if you are going with any updation and deletion, if you create one AMI and if you create one instances, if it's running up and running perfectly, then you can create using that AMI and update in your machines. If you suddenly updated any patches over any machine, that may be corrupted. So to avoid that, we have to test it first. So we can test it using our AMIs. We can test it using on our AMIs and create an AMI from tested network, and then we can install it. So Active Directory integrations out of the box can be happen here. Installing your apps ahead of time for fast deployment when auto scalings. Okay, what is auto scalings we'll be knowing in the further classes. So as of now, just mention that at deployment, installing your apps ahead of time, it will be easier. Using someone else AMI, that is an optimization for running an app or database, it's like risky. So just make sure it should be your AMI and scanned, and you should be like protected. Sometimes if you buy some AMI from the different provider, you may have thread in it, so entire network may hackable. So AMIs are built for specific regional specific. Okay, they are only for the region. So what is the region? I have told you, we are in now this region. If you want to go to Mumbai region, then you will be not finding this AMI. Okay, it is like your AMI is specific to only this instance, this region. So after creating this, how to create an instance from this AMI? You have to click on instance, launch an instance. You have a quickly, you can see right, my instances option. This is your instance, right? I have created my instance name. You have to select this instance and you just click next, and your website will be up and running, ready. Okay, so this is about AMI, and we have lot more things further coming up. So let me clearly, one more thing is missing, so let me clearly tell you that. So AMI can be saleable, like AMI in the market of AMI, Amazon machine image can be sold to Amazon, any of your provider. You can sell your image, AMI image, to any provider. Okay. And these AMI storage, like once you have created your AMI here, it will be stored in your S3 bucket. So what is S3 bucket? In coming classes we'll be seeing. It's a OneDrive kind of thing, which is like cloud storage device. Okay, it's been stored in S3 bucket. So creating an AMI will not charge you any money, but storing an AMI in S3 bucket will charge you an amount. So just make sure you have only less amount as you are going with a free tier eligible option. So we have to select very less amount of AMIs for the practical purpose. Once you have created your AMI, just do one thing, just go and delete it once all the practicals has been done. Okay, so how to delete it? Just let me quickly show you to delete. Clicking on AMIs and selecting the AMI, right click and just go deregister your AMI, continue. Yeah, voila, it has been done. So this is about AMI. In the coming classes there will be lot more things we'll be doing using AMI. Lot more practicals are there, so let's see that practicals in the coming classes. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.